Hey there, superstars. Happy June. It's Magi Helena. Here's the astrological forecast for June 2021 in all 6 crucial astrology dimensions. As one of only 2 certified Magi astrologers at the highest level, and as the inventor of one-of-a-kind, instant, and affordable astrology tools, I've now helped tens of thousands of people in the U.S. and around the world to make real progress toward their dreams of love and success. Please subscribe here on YouTube and then click that notification bell on the right so you'll know as soon as new astrology videos drop. Well, May wasn't great, and sadly, June is worse. Seriously though, don't panic when you see negative days. There are always some. You've already lived through negative days many times in the past. You just didn't know they were there. But even when you were in blissful ignorance of their presence, bad stars were active in your life. Those were the times you failed at something despite your best efforts, made a bad impression when trying to make a good one, met a heartbreak instead of a soulmate, or made a major blunder when you were really trying to be wise. Even the very best days in June aren't really good. They're just best available. July should be much better, so if starting something new or meeting someone new is super important, try to wait until July. We only have 4 best days in June, and they are all near the beginning of the month, so anything you absolutely need to do before July should be done during these best days if your personal cycles agree. There's little good geometry and few really good aspects during these June best days. At best, there's some nice support for Sun and or Earth from Venus, and in the geocentric declinations, also from Pluto, Vesta, and Pallas. If you've got to move forward on something in June, do it on these days. I've said previously there are a lot of heartbreak aspects in the universal sky in 2021 and 2022. It's just the way the planets are lining up now. This makes carefully curated date selection even more important if you want to keep up your momentum toward your dreams. The first run of worst days in June is the longest worst day run since the Magi Society started posting best and worst days in 2002. It's 14 days long. Yikes. Maybe we should all just hibernate for 2 weeks, right? There is so much dark energy in these days, it's hard to know where to begin. To give you some perspective, in most cases, we would say a day with 1 heartbreak is a bad day. Most of these days have 5 heartbreak clashes. Please, as tough as it's going to be, wait these days out. The second run of worst days late in June are really more of the same, but only 4 heartbreak clashes this time. This is a tough month. The stars are always changing, just like life. Don't get bummed out about negative days. If you wait them out, they can't take you out. Good stars follow bad stars, and good times follow bad times. If you want to fulfill your dreams, be practical. If you need to be patient, be patient. June's a blizzard, okay, so let's not try for a beach picnic. If you haven't crushed yourself trying to do things at the wrong times, you'll still be around to really crush it when the time is right. To see the specific best and worst days for love and for money, please click on the link below. Timing really is just about everything. You really can use the stars to improve your odds of love and success as long as you always factor in your own personal cycles too. DIY info on that and a coupon are below. Click Show More. If you liked this video, please click like. Thank you. If not, click dislike. If there's someone you know that should see this video, please share it with them. Remember, subscribe on YouTube for more astrology videos. And please visit me on MagiHelena.com for info on how to get your personal best and worst timing, how to understand your relationships, and more. Get there now. Text astrology to 51555. We've been in a lot of tough times. We need to hunker down and get through June, but we can do it. Hang in there and have the best possible June, and let's make July awesome.